So I want to switch gears a little to social relationships.
Okay.
Right, so this would be like romantic partners, friends, coworkers. Anybody notable in that realm that you can tell me about?
Well, I have a few friends.
Mm-hmm.
But mainly how I meet friends is I move around a lot. You know, if I can't pay rent at one place, another friend will offer me to stay at their house. But by the time I get there, there's like 7 other people. And, you know, they'll be my friends until I move again. I mean, some of them are strong friends. Some of them are weaker friends that are, you know, I'm friends because I'm there.
How many close friends do you have?
1 or 2.
1 or 2?
Yeah.
And how often do you talk with them?
One I live with, so I talk to her every day.
All right.
And the other one, you know, talk about every other day.
All right. How about any romantic interests?
I mean, I've had a few boyfriends, but they get kind of annoyed because I make them do everything. And, you know, that's how I guess guys see me now, because I don't want to do certain things, like clean or pick up, or they'll just tell me, you know, oh, I'm in pain because of my accident. I still limp sometimes. Oh, I'm in pain. Can you do this? And they call me lazy, or they call me whatever.
You were in an accident?
The DUI. Yeah, sorry, I didn't mention that.
All right, we'll get to that in a bit. So you've had some boyfriends,
Yeah.
and they became annoyed.
Yeah.
Do you have one now?
Not currently, no.
Not currently. So I want to switch gears again a little bit and talk about your medical history.
Okay.
All right. How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
24. Do you have any health problems currently?
I can't breathe sometimes. I guess I have like asthma because
Asthma?
I smoke cigarettes, so I have asthma. I have that limp from the car accident.
So tell me about the damage sustained in the car accident.
Well, I was under the influence of cocaine,
Mm-hmm.
and I crashed into a car, a parked car.
All right, so you were driving a car, and you're under the influence of cocaine, and you drove it into a car that was parked.
Yes.
All right, what kind of injuries did you sustain?
My left leg was just shattered.
You said it still causes you to limp now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, some days are better than others. Some days are worse.
In terms of the pain?
Yeah.
You take any medications for the pain?
Not really. No. I mean, if I feel any pain, I kind of just smoke.
Okay. Did you have a surgery for that?
Yeah. I mean, after the accident happened, yeah.
Any other surgeries or health problems?
I sprained my wrist when I was in school before.
Sprained your wrist?
Mhm.
Which wrist?
My right wrist.
Right. Okay. What hand is your dominant hand?
My right hand.
Right. Does that affect you at all?
Not anymore.
Not even. All right. Any other health concerns in the past, currently?
No.
Nothing? Are any of these problems you mentioned, do you think, tied in with the problems you mentioned earlier, like the anger, marijuana use?
Well, I mean, my drug use did kind of cause the accident. I mean, I have to admit that. And I sprained my wrist in school by fighting, so.
Right, so there's some connection there, maybe.
Yeah.
All right, I want to switch gears again, all right, and talk about your mental health history. Okay?
Okay.
Clearly, you're here today seeking treatment. Have you ever been treated before for mental health conditions?
After my accident, they sent me to like a psychiatrist, talk about like possible PTSD.
Post-traumatic stress disorder?
Yeah.
Were you ever diagnosed with that?
To be honest, I didn't stick around long enough.
How long were you treated by the psychiatrist?
Not very long. I honestly don't even know.
Any other mental health professionals?
Once when I was in high school, counselor pulled me aside, talked about my grades and my not going to class and my behavior.
That's just a one-time thing?
That happened maybe like 3 times.
3 times?
And then I just got annoyed and stopped going.
All right. Any other diagnosis you're aware of in the past?
No,
You mentioned PTSD might have been a diagnosis, you're not sure.
might have been, but
Nothing else.
I'm not sure.
All right. How would you characterize your experiences so far with the mental health treatment system?
I mean, I haven't had that much experience.
Mhm.
People try to tell me things are wrong with me, and they're not. That's when I get annoyed.
All right. So far you don't seem like you're impressed.
No.
No. Okay.